In this video, I'll show you how to use toggles in Notion. One of the simplest but most powerful features for keeping your pages neat and organized. Start by opening your Notion workspace. Click the plus sign on the left side and select Toggle List from the menu. This creates a collapsible section where you can hide or reveal content with a single click. For example, type 1+1 as your toggle title. Then click the small arrow to expand it and type the answer 2 underneath. Collapse it again and your page instantly looks cleaner. You can use toggles for notes, study guides, checklists, or even quizzes. They help reduce clutter and let you focus on what matters most. And that's it. You now know how to use toggles in Notion to streamline your workflow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Notion tips.